Okay, this is an RX 350 2019. What's going around with this vehicle? They're busting out these lug nut locks, taking out your rims and tires. What they do, they stick a smaller socket in and hammer it in by pressure, and that will fire off the alarm. These cars come with a factory alarm system. The only thing, they don't come with any type of impact sensor. The only way it works is somebody opens the door, and everybody and the mother knows that, so they're not going to open the door. They're going to break your window and jump in, or they're going to work these lug nut locks and don't even bother opening the doors in the vehicle. So you do need that shock sensor, which adds on to the factory alarm system. There's no need to install another alarm and carry another fob around. This is a factory alarm upgrade, which it works beautiful. So in the bottom of the video, you'll see the socket and how it's being hammered in to retract these lug nut locks. I do recommend you buying a couple per tire. Don't bank on the ones that come from Lexus. Stick 2 or 3 per tire if you can. So I'm going to show you guys, if they try to bust these lug nut locks out, the alarm will fire off. I'm going to go ahead and rearm it. And yeah, that's the shock sensor add-on that picks up the pounding of the tires. Basically, they'll put a couple bricks underneath your vehicle and remove the air out of your tires without jacking up the car. This car will not be jacked in order to steal the rims. They put center blocks and they remove the air out of your tires by removing the little valve, and then take out the rims. And normally a few guys come in. It's not a one person deal. And then of course, if somebody breaks your window, the shock sensor will pick up the impact if the window gets broken into. So I'm going to go ahead and illustrate that in a second. Waiting for the light inside to flash, which that means that the factory alarm is on already. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window, and that will fire off the alarm. This concludes the shock sensor add-on to this 2019 RX 350. This installation was done here in Miami, Florida by Auto Line Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we do have free mobile service. And we thank you for watching this video.